First headlines, 𝐶𝐾 militants attack Meitei Stan quarry workers at Nongdam Tangkol village near Tumukong village in Imphal East, vandalized trucks. Sagolmang locals block road against shifting of 18 Assam rifles from Sagolmang Khewa, public meeting held. Students of Manipur Technical University demand uniform exam system. And grass starts growing on newly blacktop Tamnapokpi Road in Bisnupur district. Hello, welcome to Northeast Window. This is SURBALA MAIREMBAM giving you the latest news update at this hour. Now the news in detail. Meitei Stan quarry workers at Nongdam Tangkol village near Tumukong village in Imphal East district rain helter-skelter to save their lives towards Tumukong after 𝐶𝐾 militants launched guns and bombs attack on them a little past 12 noon this afternoon. However, no casualty was reported. The Stan quarry workers and drivers reportedly ran for their lives even before they could drive their trucks after around 50 𝐶𝐾 militants descended from the hills and attacked them. Reportedly, the 𝐶𝐾 militants are still present at the foothill and the hill, and they might continue to launch attack. A report called from the incident site said the 𝐶𝐾 militants have vandalized the trucks, including a 407 by firing bullet at the oil tanks and the tires, and it won't be possible to get the vehicles from the area any soon, the report said. Meanwhile, another report said that bombs attack has been launched from Khamu 𝐶𝐾 village towards Tumukong Moirangpurel a little while ago. Troops of GR and police team have reportedly rushed to the incident site. Reacting strongly against the proposed deployment of 28 Assam rifles in place of 18 Assam rifles at Sagolmang Khewa, President of United Committee Phukhao and Makeng Tholai Thabi, Gram Panchayat Thoksom Sanjoy demanded the government to withdraw all the central forces and deploy state security force in their place. He maintained that if the government tried to abuse its power and deploy the 28 Assam rifles without consulting the people, the committee along with people of Kundrakpan Assembly would launch intense terror. He was speaking at a public meeting held at Sagolmang Khewa Bazaar by blocking the road today. Sanjoy further said, people are well aware of the partition conduct of 22 Assam rifles in the ongoing state crisis, where they sided with the 𝐶𝐾 militants and helped the militants in attacking Meiteis for straight 5 days. Ever since that incident, people have completely lost faith in Assam rifles. However, violence between 𝐶𝐾s and Meiteis gradually subsided in the area after the deployment of 18 Assam rifles. He said and continued that the proposed plan of the government to replace 18 Assam rifles by a company 28 Assam rifles is akin to inviting the 𝐶𝐾 militants to chalk out a measure war strategy yet again. Maintaining that no other companies should be deployed in place of 18 Assam rifles, Sanjoy demanded the government to respond within 12 hours.
Lan hogolakpadi haiba tare megi ahumdagi 22 AR na 𝐶𝐾 militant sing da mateng pangsalle hairaga aikhogi leiriba singthakta 𝐶𝐾 macha sing Assam rifle na pukhala aga aikhogi maigai da nongmai kaptharakhiba numin manga truk ni sungle beptana kamnakhiba lebak miyam na su hena khangabani madudagi horaga aikoi Assam rifle da thajaba karimta leite Assam rifle lokthokhiba haibase aikhogi apamani tawbudu matamduda 18 AR gi Assam rifle lakhibadagi Meitei macha amasu oiramba na laibak phabadagi maigai sida shanti hanjalakna honabada aduki machi asoba thawdang Lobiraga, Maigai Sida, Tapna, Koita, Nipano Pansujal Pase, Santi Porokibani. Adu Ikon Hanogana, Haujiksi, 18 Assam rifle, si Lokto Kraga, 28 Assam rifle, Tamagani Haidana, Hauji 28 Assam rifle, Tim Mayama, who's Yoraga, Koingang, Kangote, Tim Mayama, Yoraga Lerame, mahut sinaba sioni haidana amasu laga leirame masi yam laibak thibani tasengna masi gi thogok si koi mamang su hana haijabani aitin airje sunglo lukthok piganu maramdi mai leibak miyam da manipur gi leiriba miyam na husi paliba asam rifle lukthok paiba se koi su apam balai tabudu sarkar gi policy na yadadana mate khara thamde yadabagi thamba oiragadi aitin asam rifle se matam khara adum lehenbiu haijabani adu tangai fadana husi miyam gi apam masi gi mayokta aitin asam rifle lukthok 28 asam rifle thamgani haibasi akoi gi maigaida achauba irang ama sagatnaba kuki ge achauba lalong ama silapani haibasi maigai gi praja singna lodaba ngamde maram aduna akoi gi maigai da lokthokadabo orgadi asam rifle si punglo lokthok pigaro aduga akoi gi state security force natana oi maigai si gi praja singna ayaba mat piro lambi ngasi dagi ko hauna akoi sungsoi soidana thingjallaga akanba khongjang changsan jaragani
akoi da ngasi phamjari basi akoi lamlung dagina akoi yawang thungna kan leitang bupi aduga khunrabung kendra phawgi aduga mamiyam singni aduga mamam thungna kan dana tongan tongan maira paibigi akoi gi tongan 18 lauthokraga akoi 28 asam rifle thamakpa asida akoi aduki madi nungnangba megi tang ahum dagina ngasi phawbada aduki madi kuki musu maidai singbu nutrient da ngak sendana santi lehliba kangluki irang thonriba adugumba rifle 18 lauthokraga akoi gi 28 asam rifle thamakpa habase akoi maigai sigi miyam na yaninde pung rani thogi manunda hariba phirep singse handokta taragadi maigai sigi miyam amasu ima lup sing tongan tongan ba leibiri ba subin society organization mayam pumna makna akan be ho tangsilaglaga thiam saba pumna mo loijare maram aduna lamdam sida santi thambagi thamba adum thambiyu afam sida lan pamjadre na hongna megi tang ahum da kholo kiba lan phamdo ngasi gi maigai sida leiba amuk na hongna lan gi barton tawbira kanu akoi santi pamjai inne tikna leiba akoi aduguma santi pamba lamdam ni haibise akoi
The student maintained that it is not just a particular community that has been affected by the crisis, but people of every community coexisting in the state. As such, the student will never accept different mode of examination for different students of the varsity. They maintained and demanded that the examination should be held for all the students under an equal system. They also drew the attention of the government to look into the matter.
अखोई सिदा मणिपुर दा हुजिक तौरिबा सिचुएशन सिदा अखोई कुकीजु अखोई मैते यो चमाना अखोई पुन्ना लान थिंमिनायनि अदु मथाद लोइम वामिनाय गाथानि अदुबा मिसन खाइ नायबा मानबाय एग्जाम जे अखोई थाबा ngमोय अहमबा ओइना हाइजनि अखोइने सिदा ऑफलाइन क्लास दा ऑफलाइन ओइना एग्जाम थारनि मोइना सोना कन मोइना दि हाय अखोइ दा को मोइ थाइजि ऑफलाइन निना अदुबु अखोइ दा उबा गान अदुबु अखोइ दा उबा गान आंसर स्क्रिप्ट दे जेरोक्स ओइन बुथोरेबा जेरोक्स कॉपी हार्ड कॉपी बुथोरक्तेबा अदो खरा मदि हाय ओजा सिदगी चलगा ओजा आदा थाबा यावे हायबा ओजा आदा थाबा यावे हाय सुचामपुरी लाइरि कापोपि चंगा एग्जाम थाबा गांदा करम ओजा नो अखोइ मैथिम चंगा सुना कन थादोजे ओजा कम लेटर नो चंगा आदा येंगम दोजे अदो मोइना हाय आदा चंगा अखोइ मोइ एग्जाम थाबा यावे हाय ऑफलाइन एग्जाम तवे हाय अदो ऑफलाइन एग्जाम तौरगदी अदुगी हार्ड कॉपी दो अखोइ बुथोरक्ति गेदो कोइनोबा मोइना अखोइ बुथोरये जेरोक्स कॉपी नेबा जेरोक्स कॉपी जु अदु एफआई हाय बड बुथोरबा अखोइ एमटीयू गे केनो बुथोरबा देबा एमटीयू गे आंसर स्क्रिप्ट इरा बुथोरबा दे मोइ बुथोरये जिजु जेरोक्स कॉपी दे बुथोरेबा एफआई हाय बड अदु कमाय बुथोरनोबा अदु अखोइना हाइनिंग इजना तौबा तारगदी अखोइ मोइ सिदा लाओ खाना जेन जाबनते ऑनलाइन तौरगदी अखोइ जांग तौबा ऑफलाइन तौरगदी अखोइ जांग तौबा चमाना इक्वल तौ सेम सेंटर दा
क्लास से अखोइ ऑफलाइन दा क्लास यावरे अखोइ क्लास यावबो मतमदिदा अखोइ जे सिलेबस से कवर तौबा ngamdabsu yaweबको अखोइ ओजाजिंगना हाइबो मतमदा मोइ ऑफलाइन दा लाकागा क्लास याव ngamdamina ऑनलाइन दा तौवे हाइरे ऑनलाइन दा तौबसे अखोइना हंगेबा हंगो मतमदा सबचाना मोइना हाइबजे नुमि खुदिंगी तौबिब्रा हंगो मतमदा तौदे ना हाइबा तौदे हाइबजे अखोइना अदुदि कमाय तौबिगे हाइ मतम ओजागी संगो मतम अदै छात्रगिसु अमाइना येंगागा तौमिनाबने ना हाइरे अदो अखोइना सिदा नुमि खुदिंगी लागा क्लास यावबजिदा कवर तौबा ngamdaba सिलेबस तो मोइना अमाइना नुमि खुदिंगी तौबसु नतबा औदा कमाइना कवर तौबा ngamaga कमाइना एग्जाम दे थाइनो सिने ना हाइजनि ऑनलाइन दा तौबा मोइना 25 प्लस फंगागा असाइनमेंट तौबा नते अमा तौबा ते प्रैक्टिकल तौबा हाइ प्रैक्टिकल हाइजे सिदा प्रैक्टिकल तौबा जे नतबा मोइना करम जगह दा प्रैक्टिकल तौइनो ऑनलाइन दे प्रैक्टिकल तौबा जे कमाइना प्रैक्टिकल तौदोइनो बा ऑनलाइन दे प्रैक्टिकल तौबा जे ऑनलाइन दे प्रैक्टिकल तौबा जे काइदे खुलाइनो बाइक जे मोइ कुकी मसा साइ खुलाइ ले जाब्राबा सिदा ले प्रैक्टिकल ना कुकी खुलाइ मसा साइ ले जाब्राबा
ऑफलाइन था सिदा ऑफलाइन था से अखोइ लोन याइबा याबा तबु एग्जाम से सेंटर सिदा बायस ओइब लैरेबा हाइदि अखोइना एग्जाम थारे अखोइ एग्जाम सी कमन अखोइ नॉर्मल ओइना दुम थाइ तौदाबु मखोइगी एग्जाम खुथा सिना कमाइन थारिगे हाइबदा मखोइ से इनविजिलेटर चले हाइ चलम बे चलम दबे अखोइ खंगदे तौदाबु इनविजिलेटर था तारगसु कमाइन मखोइगी फोन मामा कैदा स्टेटस तगा थमक्तना अखोइ एग्जाम थारि खोलि एग्जाम मतमदा सुमाइन थोप मैम बायस अखोइ मैम थेनाग्रबा मतुंग सिदा अखोइना हुजि जेलिबा दाबी सिदे ते केम नतेबा अखोइ मोइगा मानना थानिंगी अखोइ सिदा यूनिवर्सिटी दा थानिंगी तौबा तबु ngamdre hai taragadi online online da sungam direct tadi assignment mo sina ko gi period se sida leire.
Secretary of the YWC Tamnapopi Pukramram Mahesh maintained that the blacktopping of Tamnapopi Canal Road in Bisnupur District's Moirang Assembly constituency is sort of quality and poorly maintained. He said the people were elated when the blacktopping work of Moirang to Ningtakong Road on the east of the canal started. However, the poor maintenance of the work and lack of quality taking advantage of sparse commuters on the road has rendered the road in deplorable condition, and grass started growing on the road even before the repair work was completed. He demanded the authority concerned to look into the matter and repair the road at the earliest.
Lower Canal Highway, Low Canal, the Huji Taliba, Koila, Duki Matate, Koya Putuna Lazaribani, I live a Koila, see, Kuikuidana, Haptama, among the Hapta Padre, Taliba Koilasi, among the Sukoina Koila, Tavamatam, the Hanjin Hanjina, Salaga, Hiza, Koilasi, Hazana, Equina, Tabu, Hibamatam, the Moina Hoi Tagi, the Hidamakana, Equina Yinova, Atan Sanguma from the Koilado, Hazana Tabirami, Aduba, Equina Laitaba Matam, Equina Zangu, the Matam, the Hosi, Koilazin, Marini Sudan, the Tabaloikiva, the Hosi Napi Hole Koilasi, Aduna, Koila Tabira Sing now sing Hibadi, Marilena authority singna, contractor Tikadar singna, Marilena Singa, Koilasi, and Yen Sinvira Kanda, Amukana Tabiba Taragadi, Koi Club, Kiamadi Mera Pibi side again, Amuhana Nuiz the Budu, Pongosa, Maramaduna, Kogi, Diriba, Kogi, Marilena Singa, Tam Sin Viduna, Hadiba Koila, Tabiba Sid of Being Sanvio Hiduna, Club Amadi Mera Pibi side again.
A blood donation camp was held at RIMS Blood Bank today in connection with the second Foundation Day of the 𝐶𝐕 Advanced Hospital and Research Institute on February 7 tomorrow. Speaking on the occasion, Assistant Administrative Officer of 𝐶𝐕 Advanced Hospital and Research Institute, Aribam Santakumar Sarma said, after by 12% donated blood at Jennings Blood Bank yesterday, another 15 staff of the institute donated blood at RIMS today in connection with the second Foundation Day of the institute. The blood donation was organized with an objective at least to help the frontline warriors during this conflict by donating blood even if they couldn't extend physical help in fighting the war, Santakumar said, adding that the institute will continue to extend possible help to the affected people and the volunteers in the future too.
𝐶𝐕 Advanced Hospital, we laid it. Maji Hausa 2022 January Tamperati. Under the 2024 Sira, Pura, Purana, and the exposure. Aduna, limit a single marina, blood donor cinema, came on Kakapaki and Kanjaba. Ado, limit Adu, Ladiba, Torumpering Yamsia, Punzina, my right to Garam, Masigi, Mamu and I have Taiko, Mamu and I around Zedimsta, who eat Pizarro, Aduba, Asina, Rimsa Laxaduna, who eat Pizarro, Pakaba, also open the Dakar, Aduba, Dakareva. ECP Dragadi is Capagadi, Tibananga, and I was seriously in Jaraga. I couldn't see Jabali. Aduna, I couldn't see Kong Juna, the Sasaduna, told me Irana Sakuna, Kunapa, Numba, Sativina, Talasna, Lions and Snake, the way I did it, Kundabakuna, that she be never count of the
Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited MSPDCL caught 21 people for allegedly engaging in illegal taping of MSPCL low tension line and promoting power tape. Mass raid to crack down on power tape was carried out by officials and staff of MSPDCL in 4 districts yesterday. During the raid, as many as 7 people from different places in Imphal East District were caught, 4 from Kaksing District, 3 from Imphal East and 7 from Bisnupur in power tape. Police have been requested to register a FIR against all the delinquent consumers and promoters of unauthorized colonies who are responsible for causing loss to PSPCL by way of power tape. In a recent development, Minister of State for External Affairs, Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan called on Deputy Prime Minister of Fiji, Biman Prasad, in New Delhi yesterday. Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan posted on his X handle about the convention with Fiji Deputy PM Biman Prasad. He further conveyed his happiness with the heightened momentum within the developmental partnership of the two nations in the areas of health, renewable energy, sustainable development and education. Biman Prasad is the Deputy Prime Minister of the Republic of Fiji. Moreover, he is also serving as the Finance Minister and the leader of the National Federation Party. Now let's take a short break.
Mega Minds Coaching Institute for competitive exams, endorsed and guided by successful IAS, MCS and bankers. ZFC General Foundation course for SSC, banking, UPSC and MPSC. Now at Thoba. Mega Minds, empowering the aspirants.
Welcome you all to UNAPA School Chanum, Imphal East, a fully residential school ranked Manipur #1 in All India School Ranking Awards 2023-24 by Education World in Co-Education Boarding School category. Academic session for 2024-25 will begin on 1st April 2024. Registrations are open for classes 4 to 9. Hurry up for registration.
Welcome back. Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West has remanded Laishram Vidyananda alias 𝐂𝐲𝐈𝐋, a key member of the youth of Manipur YOM, to police custody for 4 more days till February 8 in connection with a viral video message. Laishram Vidyananda, 30 years son of late Laishram Sanayama of Kakwa Assam Laikai, was produced before the court of Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West through video conferencing after completion of 3 days police custody remand along with a prayer for further police custody remand yesterday. This time the Unlawful Activities and Prevention Act UAPA has been invoked. On the other hand, the Defense Counsel of Laishram Vidyananda filed a remand objection along with a prayer to release him on bail. The APP of the state submitted that on February 2 around 11 am, Cybercrime Unit Imphal West came across a viral voice message in a very social media. An expert team of CFSL Assam is arriving shortly for necessary legal procedure. Laishram Vidyananda will be produced before the Special NIA Court in Imphal West on February 8 as UAPA has been aided by police in the present case. Situation in the state remained tense but was under control during the last 24 hours between February 4 and 5 as per report from Manipur Police Control Room. The report said search operation and area domination were conducted by security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of Hill and Valley district. The report continued that on Sunday, the locals violated curfew in Mori, crowding liquor shops. The joint security forces, while acting to impose the curfew guidelines, tried to disperse the crowd. When the crowd misbehaved, confiscation of stores through legal process was carried out. A case has been registered in this regard for further investigation. It urged the Mori residents to maintain law and order during curfew. On the other hand, movement of 400 and 203 vehicles along National Highway 37 and National Highway 2 respectively, with essential item was ensured. Strict security measures were taken up in all vulnerable locations and security convoy was provided in sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles, the report said. While a total of 141 checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hills and the valley, and police detained 240 persons in connection with violation in different districts of the state, the report continued. A delegation of various tribal organizations from Manipur is expected to meet Home Minister Amit Shah and officials of Ministry of Home Office, Maha in Delhi to discuss the current situation in Manipur today. The tribal leaders delegation to meet the Home Minister and Maha official comprises leaders of indigenous tribal leaders from ITLF, Committee on Tribal Unity, Kuki NP Manipur, Jomi Council, Tribal Hill Council and all tribe councils. ITLF leader Ginza Bolzang said that the tribal leaders delegation are expected to meet the Maha official on Tuesday or Wednesday. The proposed meeting with the Home Minister Amit Shah comes days after when Chief Minister of Manipur and Biren met Union Home Minister Amit Shah on 3rd February, Saturday in New Delhi. After the meeting with Amit Shah and Biren Singh posted on social media saying that he discussed matters of paramount importance concerning the state of Manipur. He also assured that the government of Manipur is set to take some important decision in the interest of the people of Manipur. And now before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Kuki militants attack Meitei sanctuary workers at Nongdam Tangkol village near Tumukong village in Imphal East, vandalized trucks. Sagolmang locals block road against shifting of 18 Assam rifles from Sagolmang Khewa, public meeting held. Student